Hey, bros, it's Steve. Crazy Steve. Alright, today I do not know what we're gonna do, but I'm gonna find something. Hey, wait a minute. Fart noises. Yeah, fart noises. Bros. A fart noise. Fart noise. Alright. I'm constipated. Oh, wow. I felt like I was constipated, bro. Ooh. Wait. What? No. Oh, man. Oh, I got it again. Alright. Oh, not again. Oh. Oh, God. Oh, no. Oh, wait. Oh, hold on. Oh, dude, that was just weird. 12 hours of farting. Wow. Oh, God. Oh, no. Oh. Oh, constipated Steven. Oh, look out the window. God. Oh, there's no window in here. Wait, there is. Oh, but I can't open it. Well, oh, my stomach feels weird right now. Well, at least that's over with. Oh, no, bro, that did not feel good at all. Oh, God. Steven, God, let out the window. Be a while. But the video's gonna end like in 10 seconds, so. Okay. Oh. Peace out, PewDiePie. This is for you. Bro, peace.